So I'm gonna make some furrows with my hori hori. So on my larger farm scale, I tend to use a furrowing hoe to make furrows, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to make a furrow with a hori hori since it's such an accessible and inexpensive tool. And if you're working in a smaller scale, you may not want to buy a furrowing hoe. I'm going to make 2 rows, and I'm basically just slicing into the soil so the beans have a nice place to land, and I can cover them up afterwards. And bean plants ultimately want to be spaced about 4 inches apart. So you can sow them about 4 inches apart, or you can sow them a little closer and then thin out later. I tend to sow them a little bit closer and then thin out later just because inevitably not every single seed is going to be germinated and not every single plant is going to grow, and so that gives me a little bit of wiggle room. So I sow them about 2 inches apart. And that just means dropping them into the furrow. So after you've sown your seeds, place them in the furrow, and all you need to do is cover them up